Maybe that's it. Maybe that is.
So what are all the numbers you have there lined up, Maya?
Oh, I want to see some. Here you go.
What numbers do you have lined up over there?
Here you go. One, 2. It's 4. We need a 3. 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 5. Put 5 down here. Don't need it. Now, please.
Which one is this, teacher?
Huh? 7.
Spell it.
Okay. S E V N. No. S E V E N. 7.
Good job.
Your turn to be the teacher now, Dada.